Hello and welcome everyone. If you're new to this channel, then my name is Amit Patel and you are watching the live show Musings with Software Engineers. Avinash Devupalli. Hello Avinash, how are you? I'm a Power BI developer. Okay. How to be peaceful in startup environment where even freshers like me having 1.5 years experience are given responsibility to handle one single project. I like to spend time with myself at least 5 hours as I have other interests. Will I be suitable for IT industry if I don't want to spend much time? As we need to keep updating our knowledge. So Avinash, one thing you have understood clearly is that software industry is a place where your hours can go very fast. Okay, you are doing something and then suddenly your day is over and you're not even completed one thing within your project. Correct? And that is the truth of 95% of software engineers of the world. Okay, one problem is that we take on more than we can handle. Okay, this has nothing to do with the startup environment. It has nothing to do with how much how much work you are doing. It has something to do with your time management principles and your way to organize your work. You are facing challenges of organizing your work. Okay, in my program how to become a players. Okay, I talk about boost your performance. Okay, and why do you need performance? Because if you are in any environment, in any work related environment, you need to show results. And how are results measured? Results are measured across how much time did it take and what is the quality of the result. Correct? To do anything, how much time did this particular thing take, and then what is the quality of the result. And what I see a lot of software engineers doing in the to show that they are really good performers, lot of software engineers will work 10 hours, 12 hours, 16 hours because they are not able to complete their work in 8 hours. Okay, and most software engineers are not able to complete the work in 8 hours, not because the work cannot be done in 8 hours, because they have not organized themselves in the work as well as in the time department. Okay, and when you understand doing this, which is what I teach in my course of how to become a players, of how to boost your performance, how to improve your performance, in that I talk about this, how to manage your time, how to decide your priorities, how to work on a schedule. Correct? All those things I talk about. Okay, now one thing is that you want to take out 5 hours for yourself for other interest. Okay, try to see, can you start completing your work in 8 hours, not in the way that after 8 hours you get up from your seat and say, okay, my work is over. No, in the morning you decide that these are the things that I'm going to achieve today. And when you achieve it within 8 hours, and let's say you are able to achieve it in 6 hours because you are focused, during that 8 hours, you don't go on Facebook, you do not chat with your friend, you do not waste even a single moment of yours, except getting up for drinking water or except taking the regular breaks that you have to take. But that 8 hours you are focused like a watchmaker. If you see those Swiss watches, there are so small parts, and a watchmaker has to focus because if one part gets lost, he will have to start building the watch again. correct? So you are so focused on work that during that 8 hours you are only doing your work and nothing else. And work will include sending emails to your clients or sending email to your project manager. Work will include completing your code. Work will include testing your code. Work will include talking with your client. Everything that will complete the project is your work. Okay. So let's say today you are working 12 hours or 13 hours. Tomorrow think, can I work only for 11 hours and complete my work? Try that for 1 week. After that, try, can I complete it in 10 hours? If you complete it in 10 hours, can I complete it in 9 hours? Okay. So you will start getting these ideas of how you can complete work, and you should be delivering the same quality of work that you are delivering now without increasing your time. Instead, you're reducing your time, which means you're becoming smart with your work. Okay. And there will be a time when you'll come to managing your work in 8 hours, and when that happens, you continue that practice. Okay, you continue that practice. You make sure that your project managers and everybody is happy that if you work for 8 hours, you are the most focused person, and then you spend whatever 5 hours, 6 hours, or you have the rest of the 16 hours in the day for yourself. Okay. And if you only sleep for 8 hours, also you still have 8 hours for yourself. Okay. But the starting time and ending time, in that you should be purely focused towards work. If you do this, then it is 101% possible that uh, even in the startup environment, even with you alone managing a single project, okay, you are able to work in the right manner. Okay. And I also want to address this. You said that uh, freshers like you are having 1.5 years of experience are given full responsibility to handle one single project. So it is such a good thing that you are getting a responsibility so early in your career. So many people don't get responsibility even after 10 years. You are getting responsibility after 1.5 years, which means that within the next 2 3 4 years you will be so good in handling a responsibility of an entire project, then you can showcase it on your resume, and which will be such a big achievement for you. Because let's say after 5 years, if you're searching for a job, you can say this is an achievement, that I single handedly managed an entire project end to end, even when I was just 1 years and 6 months experienced. Is that okay, Avinash? So that is a good thing, that is not at all a bad thing. Okay. It will help you in long run. Okay, a lot of people don't know what is going to help them in long run. Okay. Think about your career not as a short term goal. Your career is 40, 50 years long. If you start at the age of 21 with your first job, then you will retire at the age of 62. Okay. Some people will not even retire um, after 65 years. They will be the Amitabh Bachchan of software industry, who will keep working. They will become CEOs, and they will become the chairman in companies, and they'll be at those positions, but they will not retire. Okay. I know so many people. I know so many such people. Okay. So a lot of people don't retire. So you have a um long journey ahead of you. Okay. So when you're in a long journey, enjoy every moment of your journey. Enjoy everything, a small thing. Enjoy even your failures. Okay. Today you failed, fine. Tomorrow will be another day. Okay. All of you who are here, please share this video with your friends so that we have more people who join this conversation. Like this video if you have not liked this video, subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. You will get the notification. I am live every Thursday at 9:05 p.m.